Welcome. We're going to go through importing into your Premiere Pro project. We're going to talk about importing video files, audio files, graphic files, importing folders, and then importing a layered graphic file, a PSD file to be specific. So here we go. Everything that gets imported into Premiere Pro goes into our project panel. For us, there's other ways to do it, but for us, we're going to go up to the File menu, down to Import. Import window is going to appear, and it should bring you to the location that you need to import whatever from. So here, video files, graphic files. I don't have an audio file, but it works the same as either of these. I have my PSD, my layered file, and then of course I have my folders here with different types of files in there. Some have audio, some have video, some have graphics. All right, so to import a video, a graphic, audio file, from here, select whichever one it asks you to import, and then we're going to click Open, and then it imports it into our project panel. All right, import. Let's say you've done all your production and you've kept it organized into a different folder. And let's say you have all of your A-roll in one folder, and you just want to go ahead and import that entire folder. We are going to go back up to File, Import, and then so it comes right back up to our import window again. All right, if you look down at the bottom right of our import menu here, we have Cancel, Open, and then it's grayed out right now, but we have Import Folder. If we go ahead and select any folder, all right, that button becomes available for us to click. So once we've selected it, all you have to do is click that import folder, and then it imports that entire folder. All right, what we call a folder from that import window, Premiere Pro calls these bins, where you can organize your project in that project panel. Right. And then the last thing would be a layer file, a PSD file for us. We're going to go back up to File, down to Import. And I'm going to have to go back one because it opened up that the last folder that I imported. So we're going to select our PSD file here. We're going to click Open. All right, so for the other two, once we clicked Open, it went straight and imported it into our project panel there. But for a layered PSD file with layers, we have some options for importing it. All right, you have import as in this pop-up here. All right, the first one, merge all layers. This will just combine it like you exported it from Photoshop. You can decide which, and then the next one, merge layers, would be deciding which layers you would like to merge together or combine. A sequence would be it already puts it into the timeline form of sequence for you, and then for us, individual layers, you can choose which layers to actually import from that PSD file. So choose individual layers, click OK. It's going to go ahead and put it in a bin for you. But if you click into that bin, all right, we have now each layer that was in that file is imported as its own kind of file, in Premiere Pro. And we could choose which one we'd want to put into whatever sequence we're working on to be able to do that. Thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time.